And as far as our weather forecast locally, it's all calm out there right now. Lots of sunshine over downtown Savannah, just some thin high-level clouds working their way into the region, which should make for a very nice sunset view for us as we head into the next couple of hours. But 88 was the high temperature here in Savannah. Normal for this time of the year. That average high is 88 degrees, but a little bit cooler than normal for our low temperatures because of the very dry air in place. That will be changing as we look ahead to the weekend with much warmer and slightly more humid conditions setting up for us across the region. We did make it into the lower 90s for some of our inland locations. 88 degrees right now, though, for Rankin and for Statesboro. 85 for us here in Savannah, so some of us already starting to cool off. By tomorrow morning, most of us will be in the lower and middle 60s for those low temperatures, but we will climb pretty quickly thanks to a good supply of sunshine early in the day. Highs will top out in the upper 80s to lower 90s. We will have an increase in cloud cover as the afternoon goes on, but no rain expected for the weekend. That will change, though, for the early part of next week as more of that deeper tropical moisture makes its way back into the region, which will make it feel stickier and also fuel some showers and storms. So lower 90s expected for the weekend and into the early part of next week, with those slightly higher rain chances for Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures will be slightly below normal, middle and upper 80s expected for highs, but as we start to dry out again, we will return to the 90s for those high temperatures. And as far as those rain chances, pretty much non-existent for the weekend, just a 20% for Monday, and then a few scattered showers and storms possible for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Basically just enough to keep an eye to the sky if you do have any kind of outdoor plans. Not a washout situation whatsoever. Until then, for the weekend, high pressure remains in control over the southeast. As that does shift more to the east, though, that will help to promote that more southerly breeze off of the Gulf into the southeastern U.S., setting us up for those hotter and more humid conditions. And as far as temperatures around the region, around the southeast, pretty hot, especially in the Carolinas, lower 90s even for Washington, D.C., with very dry air in place and high pressure over the southwestern U.S. Phoenix, Arizona, 106 degrees right now. So we're in pretty good shape, even with the hotter and more humid conditions coming in over the next couple of days. For tonight, 65 degrees for the low temperature, mostly clear night is expected. And then for tomorrow, we will warm up pretty nicely pretty quickly into the upper 80s to lower 90s. That breeze will pick up during the afternoon hours out of the southeast up to around 15 miles per hour. Lower 90s, not too bad for this time of the year, considering our records are already in the triple digits. For the boaters, south wind 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right at 2 feet. That water temperature cooled off to 78 degrees thanks to all that heavy rain that we had earlier this week and over this past weekend, but that will start to climb again with lots of sunshine on and off for the weekend. The early part of next week is when we will start to see some showers and storms move in. Upper 80s to lower 90s expected over the next 7 days. Those lows get milder, staying in the 70s starting on Monday.
Looks like June.
Sure does.
All right, thank you.
Sports is next.